Steve Blythe, J.Racenstein. This is our ProTool cart. It starts out as a carbon RO and DI system, and then you can expand this to take a 110 pump, which we have on the back here, or in its place you can put a 12-volt pump and then use a cable system like this to hook to any 12-volt battery you want. You could be in your vehicle, you could have a separate battery, you could have it permanently mounted in your car. We send it out with a cable system that double checks your polarity, so that when you hook it up, it'll beep at you if it's backwards. And the nice thing about the cart in that instance is it's super stable. It's really hard to pull this over because of a hose. It's just not going to get knocked over. You can bounce it around, bang it around, and you're going to not have to worry about the cart.